Now how to convert from cardinal form to minterm expression? There are three steps. Convert minterm designation into binary pattern. Okay, you need to convert the minterm designation into binary pattern like this. Designation is 5, you will be converting that into binary pattern. Okay, so number of bits will be same as number of variables in function. There are 3 variables ABC in the function, so number of bits will be, if you whenever you are converting from minterm designation to binary pattern, there will be 3 bits because there are 3 variables in this function. Okay, then you will write the product of variable or complement of variable depending upon the 0 or 1. If 0, you will be writing the variable, barred variable, and if 1, you will be writing the variable only without bar. Now add the minterm to get minterm expression. Okay, so here for example you are having this expression f a b c, 3 variables are there, summation 5136. So binary of 5 will be 101, the corresponding minterm will be a b bar c. Then binary of 1 you will be writing 001 a naught b naught c. Then binary of 3 you will be writing 011 a naught b c. Then binary of 6 will be 110. The corresponding minterm will be a b c naught. And the minterm expression will be, you will be adding all the minterms to get minterm expression. A b naught c plus a naught b naught c plus a naught b c plus a b c naught. Okay, so we have done SOP expression, what is minterm, what is canonical expression, what are the canonical SOP expressions, minterm designation, cardinal form of minterm expression, all this we have done.